This is next step. Before I miss some step, that's language setting is you need to select your language and you need to select your country. That's I select before. So unfortunately that's missed in screen. I'm waiting for next step. This is after 28 minutes. What do you like to set up? This is for personal use. Next is sign in with your Microsoft account. Please do that. After entering password, you need to wait some more time. Then you need to create a PIN. This is for easy login. This is just like security PIN. You just need to create a PIN. Yes, I'm creating 4-letter PIN. You can include letters and symbols. Press OK. This give access to your activities history. And plus no, I don't need that. This is for connecting your Android and notification text. I don't need this now. You can do that. Next. This is for OneDrive. You can save your file data in OneDrive for Microsoft OneDrive, like Google Drive. This is for Office, Microsoft Office, Word, PowerPoint, Excel is all. I don't need it now. This I don't. If you need it, you can buy that. This is a digital assistant. You can get customer support of Windows every 24/7 and customer support. So you can accept that. You need to all accept terms and condition and accept. This is next step. It takes some time, so please wait patiently. It's almost there. Here you can see the Windows SS. Just wait some more time. So thanks for watching my video. Smash that like button. So keep subscribe for more videos. Thank you everyone. If you need to show how setup of first installation setup, there's another video in there. Please check that. Links are in the description. Thank you.